Hi everyone, welcome back. This is just a quick tutorial on how to check the health of your hydraulic suspension. This is very easy. It can take you guys less than 5 minutes to check. So if you guys are buying a cruiser, or if you guys already have a cruiser and want to make sure that your active hydraulic suspension or active height control is working, make sure check if the oil level is at the correct position. It's right here, you guys can see. Shine a light on the side and you guys would be able to tell where is the position at. Right now mine is at kind of max, and this is minimum line, this is max line. So let's start up the car and let's see if the hydraulic suspension of my car is healthy. I'm gonna turn on this light so you guys can see. There's black ice on the road and black ice inside the car. I like this one. I like the smell of this black ice air freshener. Okay, so right now the suspension is at neutral. This is when we need it, when we are driving it on normal roads. So I'm gonna put the suspension either to high or low. So I'm gonna touch this button, put the suspension to low. This light started blinking. It's not gonna go into low unless I close the door, so I have to close the door. Let me shut off the engine so you guys can hear me. Okay, so the engine is off now. You guys can leave the engine running. I'm just shutting it off so you guys can hear me properly. Now look at the oil level. It went up, which is almost right over here. These raised notches right over here, these are for I'm not sure how much is the gap in between each raised line. So before it was right over here, now it's up here. So right now this is the line where the oil level is, right here. I hope you guys can see it. So now keep this line in mind. Use a dry eraser marker and draw a line on it, because you guys don't want to use a permanent marker. Keep this line in mind now. So let's raise the suspension. So it's at low, and you guys have seen the oil level at low. Let's put it up to high. So put it in high, press it once and press it again. Now the high light is blinking. If you guys open the door, it's not gonna work, so make sure you guys keep the door closed. shut off the engine. If you guys remember, when the suspension was low, the oil level was at the top notch. I mean top line right over here, top notch. All the way up here, all the way up here. And now look at the fluid level. It's at this line, this raised line over here, which is one line above the minimum, one line above the minimum. Okay, so now count the gap in between these two lines. So the suspension is high right now, so let's count these lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the gap between the minimum and the maximum is 8 lines. That means the globes of these cars, the hydraulic globes that are responsible for raising and lowering the car, are very healthy. Let's say, for instance, if the gap between the lower position and the higher position was less than 7 notches, 7 lines, that would indicate that your car's globes, maybe 1 or 2 or maybe all of them, need to get replaced. This is the easiest way to tell without taking it to a mechanic. If you guys are buying a car, do it at the spot, or if you already have a car, do it at home. It's gonna take you less than 5 minutes. So the idea is to make sure the gap at the lower position and the higher position, the gap of the the oil level gap between the lower position and the higher position is either 7 or above 7 lines. If it's below 7 lines, it means you guys need to spend some money. I hope this helped you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.